Hello! After watching this video, you will find out what the word drone means. Indefinite and subdued noise. A male bee or wasp, which does not work but can fertilize the queen. A remotely controlled, unmanned aircraft. Someone who takes more time than necessary. Stingless male bee in a colony of social bees whose sole function is to mate with the queen. Make a monotonous slow dull sound. Talk in a monotonous voice. A pipe with a bagpipe that is tuned to produce a single continuous tone. A pilotless aircraft operated by remote control. An unchanging intonation. Stingless male bee in a colony of social bees whose sole function is to mate with the queen. An aircraft without a pilot that is operated by remote control. Someone who takes more time than necessary, someone who lags behind. Make a monotonous slow dull sound. The harmonium was droning on.